we've been gone for a minute, but you know, life is life. We've been busy. This video is pretty much going to be an update for my car. I got some new things for the Charger. We go in depth on the Tazer and the new tire setup, you know, everything that I've done so far since I got it. Update on the shows that we plan on going to and everything. You know, it's supposed to be getting warmer here in a minute. Spring's coming on, so you know, we're gonna have a whole bunch of shows going to, and just, you know, update y'all and give y'all an update on the Charger and whatnot. So let's jump right into it. As y'all can see, I got a new tire setup, wheel and tire setup on the Charger. Rims are Rough Racing. Tires I went with were their Nitto 555 G2s, 8 wide in the front, 10 wide in the back, 275, 45, 20 in the back, 245, 40, 20 in the front. I'm enjoying them. They grip up pretty well, and the fastest 0 to 60 I've gotten is 5.6. That's really not me trying. I haven't, you know, warmed the tires up and just did a whole bunch of pulls in it. I'm like them. They look good. Tire stickers look good on them. Other than that, got an audio system installed in it. I'm enjoying that. Got 2 Alpine 12s hooked up to a 600 watt kicker amp and a normal head unit to the Uconnect radio. And like last video when I showed you I got the car, that red button I was telling you about is actually a Tazer. I've installed a Tazer in my car. Gives you line lock, a cool down mode, light show, launch control, because I don't have an RT Plus, so I now have launch control, and then all the performance packages that come on RT Pluses, Scat Packs and Hellcats and whatnot. But in this video I'll show y'all all that, and we'll show y'all now. So there's the red button I was telling you about. RTs don't come with red buttons, push to start, but since I have the Tazer installed, I do. Normal splash screen, the Tazer allows you to change that from a B, Hellcat, or a different kind of splash background. But over here on the radio, like I was telling you, I have the performance packages now, which, let's turn on run. There you go. I have the drivetrain, which my car does not come with, but I do have now, as you can see. On my auto mode, I'm on eco, street and street. Then you got your track, obviously track, keeping all track, sport. I really haven't messed with this much. But that's that for your sport packages. And then if you go over here, click performance packages, it'll bring up like your G's and everything. Race options. Launch control, like I was saying, I don't have launch control on my car without the Tazer, but now I do. Shift light, whatnot. You got auto setup and everything. From here, you can do. You can go here, and you press left arrow and cruise control plus. You will, let's turn this dinging off. You will turn on cool down mode, and they'll turn on the fans, and it'll cool the engine down while accessories are on. And also here, if you press, I think down or up in one of these cruise control options over here, you'll turn on line lock, and it'll hold the ABS solenoid in the front, releasing the back brakes and freeing you up to do a line lock burnout, saving your brake pads and giving you basically like a perfect burnout. Other than that, you have a light show, but you can't really tell. I mean, it's daytime. I'll turn them on and see if you can, but I'm sure everybody's seen the light show. Just give y'all a little example. Like I said, I'm pretty sure you've seen the light show, but new wheels and tires, Nittos, rough racing, the Tazer, and my audio system. I guess I can show y'all that. Like I said, I went with 2 Alpine and a, what kind of box is this? Rockford Fosgate, because that's what I had, but they weren't working too well, so this is what I switched to. My kicker amp, 600 watt. Sounds pretty good. It's not too hard, not sounding. Doesn't rattle around too much. But yeah, guys, hope y'all are liking what I'm doing with the Charger so far, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Actually, guys, video not over yet. We ended it before we gave y'all an update. Update on next show we're going to is actually going to be Clean Culture's ATL Throwdown. It's going to be at Road Atlanta, Burnout Contest, Limbo, Two-Step, you know, the normal Clean Culture. I'm looking forward to the Burnout Contest, especially with my line lock. I should give them a nice show with that. But that's our next show coming up. Then you know, it's March now, so Import Alliance will definitely be there. Hopefully y'all come out to Road Atlanta. We'll see y'all there, and hope y'all like this video, like what I'm doing to the Charger so far, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.